When people use the term MRP, they could be referring to different things. To some people, MRP, or Material Requirements Planning, is a process for planning the material requirements that we need in order to meet customer demand. For other people, MRP means a system, a computer system, the ERP or MRP system that's governing all parts of the manufacturing business. In this course, we're going to talk about MRP, the process, and how it works inside MRP, the system. When people use the term MRP, they could be referring to different things. For some people, MRP is the system that they use to manage the manufacturing business. It's similar to ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, Manufacturing Resources Planning, Material Requirements Planning, all part of a system. To other people, it means planning the materials in order to get the right product and the right components to the right place at the right time to meet demand. And it's understandable how this confusion has occurred. Over the last 60 years, MRP the process and MRP the system have grown up and intertwined together. In this course, I want to teach you about how MRP works as a process and how the MRP process works inside the system. We're going to take examples and I'm going to lead you through the calculations step by step. Right? We'll take one product, do the calculations, understand how it works. And this is the point at which most textbooks stop. I don't believe that's enough. So as well as doing calculations in a single example that you might do on a calculator, I want to be able to give you a way of doing MRP at scale. We're going to provide you with a fully functional MRP tool built in Excel that will allow you to do MRP across hundreds of products and maybe 6 months of demand. My name is Kien Leong. I'm an operations management consultant and a systems developer. And over the last 10 years, I've developed dozens of fully functional, scaled MRP systems that are working in a range of manufacturing businesses today. I run a company called Rapid Supply Chain Planning, which aims to help give operations and supply chain professionals a way of developing their own automated supply chain planning tools. So join me with this journey into MRP. We're going to walk through the principles, the steps, and get you up and running to doing MRP effectively in your own business.